Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fine and you are doing well. Today, I brought you a very sound good news. Good news that will make your business to drive smoothly. Good news that will generate revenue for you. And good news that will make you to understand the management of your business and will make you to consolidate, you know, in your business. And that will help you to stable the business and to expound the business. Yes, it's the solid good news that I brought to you. But before we go into the business of the day, my viewers, I want to make an appeal to you that please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell for more videos that I'm going to release in the future. And do remember to drop a comment below for me to know your interest, to know what you want me to talk about that will benefit you. Today, I'm here to share with you three major business drivers. Three major business drivers. Without these drivers, your business cannot make success, or you cannot make success in your business. Without these drivers, when I mean drivers, things that will make the business to function, things that will make the business to run on a day-to-day, things that will make the business to achieve height, things that will make the business to expand, and to develop. That is what I'm talking about. Ordinarily, there are things that can motivate you. There are things that push you. It's the same thing I'm talking about. Things that push the business from one level of success to another level of success. That is what I mean by three major business drivers. Without those things, no business. Quote me anywhere. Without those things, no business. Quote me anywhere. The business cannot function. It means you are not even doing anything called business. You are just playing. You get it. And so let's come to the business of the day. Number one driver of the business. Something that will make the business to say, yes, we are running business. Whether you are into servicing or you are into selling of a product, that is what I'm talking about. One of them is sales, number one. Do you know what sales is all about? Sales is an action of exchanging a product or a service for money. A sales is an action. You exchange it for money. It means that when I mean sale, it means that, you have gotten your raw material or you have purchased your raw materials. And so that raw material, you have turned those materials into a finished product that people can buy and consume. And that particular product is what you are going to, push to the market. When customers, buy them from you and gives you money, that is sale. You are not making sales. The business is selling her product to make money. That is sale. It's one of the drivers of business. And without sales, you can't do anything. That is what I mean. Then number two, driver of business is cost. Now, in this regards, I want to classify the cost into two. One, it is the cost you use to buy the raw material. And two is the cost you use selling that particular product. When you are giving that product to a customer, in return, a customer is giving you money for it. It is the cost you use to sell that product. And now, for example, you have make that product with $5. And now you are not selling that product, which is say for $7. The $5 you use to make the product that you spend making that product, is a cost, then that money the customer has given to you in exchange for the product is the cost that you sold the goods. That is what I mean. And so one of the drivers of business is cost of sales. Your cost of sales should be higher than the cost you use to produce the product. Are you getting it? Your cost of sales should be higher than what you use to produce the product. That is what I mean. And that is the reason why I said I want to classify the cost into two. And now, as number 2 driver of business is cost of sales. Every businessman should learn on how to buy cheap and to sell at a high price. And that is when your margin will be growing. Your margin will be expounding, will be growing, and you will see more money, you will see more revenue to expand the business and to consolidate the business. Are you getting it? Or to stable the business and to hire more hands, to hire more staff that we help you to manage the business. And so, sales is one of the drivers of business. Cost of sales is another driver of business. Here is the last one. Working capital is another driver of business. Without these 3 drivers, you have no business. You have not set up any business. You are not running any business. You are not managing any business. And so, for every business establishment, for every business sector, you must take these 3 drivers, very crucial and important. You must not play with them because they are the source of the business. They are the reason why you are driving those big cars. They are the reason why people know about the business that we are running business. Without these 3 drivers, you are not organizing any business. And so, a cost is very, very important. You have to put into consideration the cost of the raw materials and the cost and the overhead cost. You have to put everything into consideration to know what you have used to make the product and the cost of that product that you sold, and left what is remaining should be your profit. You get it? This is what I'm trying to explain.